and it was thicker about 30-40 minutes ago. You couldn't see the tree. I was going to try to record it. I didn't want to get my phone moist. Didn't want to get my phone wet. And my husband and his crew is out riding in this. And all the oil field. Yeah, I didn't get my boxes put in the trash. They was too heavy. I'm looking for something I can cut it with. I don't want to use a kitchen knife. But yeah, this is a fog. I can feel it's a moisture on my skin. See the bird? He's up there. I'm sorry, little bird. All the leaves fell down. You don't got no protection. You don't got no protection from the fog. All the leaves are gone. Yeah, you know. Can't even see my neighbor's house. And that bush right there by the sign, in the video through the lens, it looks scary. It looks like a monster. I almost have peed myself. Thought there was something there. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. This is a foggy morning. Everybody in the oil field has to work out in this crap. And this is why everybody in town says the prayers for the oil field men. For everybody who has to work on the road. Everybody who has to work driving. Everybody who's got to drive through this to get to work. All the churches say a prayer. I'm going inside.